In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add an Add to Cart button to the Shopify Dawn theme. This process is straightforward and ensures a seamless shopping experience for your customers by allowing them to add products directly to their cart from the product list pages. Let's walk through the process step by step and make your online store even more user-friendly. To begin, we need to access the theme editor. Head over to your Shopify admin panel, where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, look for the option labeled Online Store and give it a click. This should reveal additional options, one of which will be Themes. Select Themes, and you'll be brought to a page showcasing all the themes currently installed on your shop. Find the Dawn theme, which is Shopify's default theme for a clean and minimal design, and click on Customize. This will launch the theme editor, your central hub for making changes to your store's design. Now that you're in the theme editor, our next move is to locate the product grid settings. Toward the top of the editor, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the list that appears, select Products. Within the Products section, opt for Default Product. This is where we'll apply changes that will affect the look and functionality of your product listings. With the default product settings open, let's focus on enabling the Quick Add button. Look to the left sidebar, which is filled with various customization options. In this sidebar, search for the section marked Product Information. It's in this section that you'll find an option for the Quick Add button. Click to enable this feature. By doing so, you activate the button across multiple parts of your store, such as the home page, collection pages, and catalog, thus streamlining the process for customers to add items to their cart. Once you've made this change, it's crucial to ensure that your work is saved. Look towards the top right corner of the editor and you'll find the Save button. Click it to apply and confirm all the changes you've made. It's always a good idea to check your site's front end after saving to see how the new feature looks and operates from a customer's perspective. After you've completed these steps, you'll notice that the Add to Cart button is now visible on all product list pages. This feature allows customers to quickly add items to their cart without having to navigate all the way to the individual product page, thereby enhancing the shopping experience and potentially increasing your store's conversion rate. By making this simple yet effective change, you're taking a big step forward in optimizing your online store for increased efficiency and customer satisfaction. Happy selling!